Hey everyone, hope you're doing well. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing a 1 carat marquee cut diamond engagement ring from James Allen. This is a fantastic looking ring. Really excited to share this with you guys. And in this video, I want to talk about three things. The first one, I want to show you everything that comes in the box. I want to show you what the diamond looks like in real life. And then we're going to talk prices and then different options for a marquee cut diamond from James Allen if you're looking to go that route and build a marquee engagement ring. So let's jump straight into it. If you want to browse through the marquee diamonds on James Allen's website, I will have a link to them down in the video description. So click on that link, it will take you over to the website and you can look through all of the diamonds. I'll also have a link to this specific setting. So if you like this setting and you want to look at it on their site as well, I will have a link to that also. So be sure to check those out down in the video description. So this ring arrived to our doorstep in a very incognito box. You would never know that there's an engagement ring in here. And when this package arrives, it's usually sent overnight shipping, and you do have to sign for the package. So they're not going to just leave this one on your doorstep. You do have to be home and physically sign for the package. Now, very good presentation here, really nice box. There's a little pink pull tab here on the front of the little magnetic door, and when you open it up, you can see the ring there front and center. And as always on this channel, we get straight to the point. We're going to show you the ring first. Popping open the box, this 1 carat marquee diamond looks amazing, and it's really, really big. I didn't expect the overall dimensions of the diamond to look so large, but this is a really good looking ring, and it looks far bigger than it actually is. Like, I would guess that this is more of like a 1.25, 1.4 carat diamond. It just looks a lot bigger than it actually is. Now, in this lighting, this is what you would see in a jewelry store. Very bright LED lighting, making that diamond really sparkle, and you can see it looks great here. We're going to show it to you in some outdoor lighting as well, so you can get a little bit more of an idea of what it would look like in real life outside of indoor lighting. But I want to show you that in a minute. First, let's just show you what else is in the box. In the front, you have a little James Allen cleaning cloth. Great for them to include that so you can polish your diamond. And then inside this little envelope, we have some paperwork. Now, the first thing you're going to find is in this envelope, this is going to be a receipt with everything that you paid and your personal information on it. So be sure to keep that. And then you're also going to have your diamond report from either IGI, GIA, or AGS. This is very important because this is the specific diamond report for your diamond. So when you pick your diamond from James Allen's website, you're going to receive the exact diamond that you picked. And then this is the report that goes with that diamond to say that it's authentic, and it shows all the characteristics of the diamond. So be sure that you have that report. James Allen sends them with all of their engagement rings. So if you do go with James Allen, you're going to receive that report for your specific diamond that you picked. So very important that that's included with any engagement ring purchase that you do. Now, that's pretty much everything in the box. So let's take a look at this thing outside. Now, the first clip I want to show you, this is in some outdoor lighting. We are in kind of a cloudy day here, a little bit in the evening, and you can just see that that nice soft light on this diamond looks fantastic. This thing really, really looks nice, and you can see all those little diamonds there in the band itself. Now, this band is a white gold French cut pave band. The diamonds going along the band are quite a bit bigger than I'm used to seeing in pave bands. And it's one of the things that I actually really caught my eye and I liked about this particular setting is those diamonds are quite a bit larger. And so this looks like a more expensive ring. It looks like you have a lot more carat weight in diamonds here and just gives an overall more expensive look. And I really like that. So that paired with that large center stone diamond that already looks bigger than 1 carat, looks like a very, very expensive ring. Now, talking price, this specific diamond, for the diamond itself, it was $2,040. Then the setting was $1,210, and the tax for me was $228. So all in all, we're talking right around $3,400 to $3,500 for this 1 carat marquee cut engagement ring. And keep in mind, this is with a lab diamond, so lab diamonds are quite a bit cheaper. If you wanted to make this same ring with a natural diamond, you would probably be anywhere between, I would say, $5,500 and $7,500 to get a very similarly graded natural diamond. So If you want to go the natural diamond route, that is also available on their website. It's just a little bit more expensive. So it's kind of up to you which route you want to go and ultimately how much you want to spend. So I hope this video was helpful. If it helped you out, all we ask is smash that like button. Until next time, good luck on your engagement ring shopping. And if you have any more questions, I have tons of videos on my channel doing unboxings, reviews, and comparisons of like lab diamonds and natural diamonds from James Allen. So be sure to check those out if you're looking for a little bit more information. And as always, we want to wish you the best of luck on both your engagement ring shopping and your engagement. And we will hopefully see you in the next video.